Are you looking for affordable gun and ammo prices in Springtown? Then look no further. On the Square Guns and Ammo in Springtown is your local, friendly, full-service gun shop. AR-15s, pistols, rifles, shotguns, accessories, and more. Buy, sell, trade. We offer license to carry training, and we have a gunsmith on site for your convenience. 101A North Main Street on the northwest corner of the historic Springtown Square. Call us today at 817-538-7557 or visit us on the web on thesquaregunsandammo.com.